Dear students, there are several proteomics tools that are available online which essentially help you to search your mass spectrometry data that is being reported from the instruments, either in the raw file format or in the MZXML or other MZML, MZ data file formats. So let's take a look at the first one, Mascot. So Mascot is a very famous and commonly employed platform for searching mass spectrometry data towards identifying the proteins and peptides in the samples. So Matrix Science, a company, developed this tool, and this tool is available online free of any cost, and you can use your you can upload your data in the MZXML file format or the MGF format, for example, and search your data for the proteins and peptides. However, the Mascot platform does not allow for batch processing, so if you're using if you want to search multiple files at the same time, then Mascot cannot help you with that. More so, the Mascot platform does not search top-down proteomics data and is mostly concerned with shotgun proteomics and MSMS searches. In this figure, you can look at what the search paradigm is, and Mascot is just one tool that is out there for searching your data. You can of course employ some other tool. For instance, in this example, the other famous one, Sequest, Xtandem, or Spectra ST. So you just get your data from the mass spectrometer in some standard file format and then use any tool to search your data and identify the peptides and proteins, and then you can validate the result by looking at the tools that are given on the right side. So the idea is that once you get your data from the mass spectrometer, then you will need an online search engine or a downloadable version to search your data, and then you can use your results for further analysis. So the Matrix Science website, which details on the Mascot search engine, is given here. You can see a screenshot of Mascot, and you can access this server by the URL given at top, and you will see this version. You can also have a downloadable version of Mascot, but of course that is under license and you have to pay for it. There are two modes of using Mascot. The first one is the shotgun proteomics, and the second one is the peptide mass fingerprinting. So in this case, this is the first screenshot, and this is talking about the peptide mass fingerprinting, and you can set up multiple parameters on the search form as given here. You can name a search, you can search for different post-translational modifications, you can select databases which you want to search for, and of course you can input your mass spectrometry data, or you can upload it and then search for your data. If you're looking for a different protocol, then you may go for a different Mascot page, which in this case can be an MSMS ion search. So you can set your parameters accordingly and search your spectra for finding the proteins and peptides by filling in this parameter form. So Matrix Science, its tool Mascot, gives you plenty of options for shotgun proteomics, for tandem mass spectrometry. However, the shortcoming is that it cannot cater for top-down proteomics and therefore is limited in its purpose to bottom-up proteomics only.